Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a project called Gunz or Gun. The name of the token is. Basically, this is a gaming layer one. Like we have Immutable, we have Gala, we have Ronin and others. So this is a new or fresh competitor in this niche again. Gamings have been going down. As you can see here, we have Sandbox, we have Gala, and we have others taking a lot of or massive as you can see here, massive downfall from the high. And even the Sandbox or the Sandcoin itself had a massive hype, and again it's down from 70 cent to as low as 27 cent. So we have this new project, and which basically just launched on 31st March, as you can see here, and it is already down from from 10 cent to as low as 6.2 cent, which is a massive downtrend. As you can see, of course it was to be expected, because I think we have a lot of sellers because of the potential airdrop and other things. So I will just talk about the utility and what it does, and after that we will look at how it is being used as of now. So basically this is layer 1. So basically it is used for gas fee, as you can see in Gunz ecosystem. It is also fuel for validator NFTs, enabling them to function. They also have they will have future utilities as well, as you can see here. And hardware validators receive Gun tokens as a reward for validating on-chain transactions. After that, we have this is also an in-game utility for a game called Off the Grid. So basically this is the game that they have implemented their blockchain as of now. And as you can see here, it is a blockchain based game, and all of these are NFTs as well. And basically this game does offer a free to play extraction royale. So basically users do get free to play, or you can say free items from this, or free NFT. So it is available on PS5, Xbox, as well as Epic Store. But again, I think this game is still in the beta, so it's still being developed. So we will see how it goes. And for the game, I think the game is basically developed for basically these are the developers of the game. And I think if they do develop more games, the Gunz blockchain will be used as well. But as of now, they only have Off the Grid game. Anyways, so if you look at the items, they have their own you can say marketplace. As you can see here, this is the marketplace that they have going on, and the recent transactions or recent activities have gone up, so that's pretty good. And the total volume is around 6.5 G or Gun token, as you can see here. They have had around 19,000 deals, as you can see, and it's fairly active, I think. It Of course, the stats show that it is going up because they only launched around 2 days ago, so that's something that you should know. Coming back to the topic, or coming to the coin itself, it basically is in-game currency for that game, as you can see here. After that, we have gamers can obtain Gun tokens through the following methods. You can basically play Off the Grid or other games on Gunz chain. You can easily obtain the Gun token. I think this is because of the free rewards. After that, we have purchasing Gun tokens using cash via in-game or web interface. So basically they are allowing direct buying in the game, so that's interesting. And after that, you can actually deposit Gun token from the external wallet or from the exchange itself. After that, we have NFT minting with validators. I'm not going in depth on what it does. So basically, each time a validator NFT mints an in-game item, a portion of the Gun tokens is burned. So basically this is a gas fee. This is a Gun token model burning. So that means in the long run this token is potentially deflationary. So that's something that they have going on. After that, coming to the token itself, the token has around 10 billion max supply, so it is a massive supply, as you can see here. So private A investors get around 1.2 billion, private B 2 billion, which is a massive amount, and again strategic round gets around 500 million, KOL round gets around 30 million. So that means around 37.8 supply is going towards investors. So that is a massive sell pressure across the board, I think. After that, we have treasury getting around 1.3, community incentives, which is very low, which is basically, I think, on the airdrop around 400 million. As you can see here, after that, we have liquidity pool around 300 million. After that, we have NFT value staking reward on 500. We have Gunz Foundation 900 million. We have founders and team 1.2 billion, which is a massive amount. So but still, I will come to that in a second. After that, we have advisors getting around 500 million, and we have platform rewards around 1 billion, which is relatively, I think, low, because if it was around half going towards platform rewards, that means we will most likely have more users on their game. So I think that should have been a pretty good tokenomics, but this one is not good in my opinion. Again, if you look at here, we have private investors getting 0 token on the day 0, so they do have a 12-month cliff. So basically no sell pressure from this for at least 12 months. Same goes to private investor B. We have after that a strategic round, same, but we have KOL getting around 15% supply on the day one, so a slight sell pressure but not that big. So we have community incentives around 100% unlock, so I think that is where the most likely the sell pressure came from. So I think looking at this tokenomics, I think the token itself seems to be a pretty good to hold for at least 1 year. If you're planning to buy this coin, we won't have that much sell pressure for 1 year, but after that, I think the token will most likely see a lot of selling. So that is something that you should know, because of these private sale happening, and it is a massive supply that they are getting around 3.78 billion gun tokens. So I think this coin could be good for 1 year, and after that, I think this coin will most likely go down again. They say that the tokenomics model is designed to ensure long-term sustainability. I don't think so that is true, because of this massive cliff that will happen in 12 months. So I don't think that is true. Anyway, after that, we have they said that they have sustainable allocation for the game operation, so platform rewards, and it's not that enough. It should be at least 3 billion, but it's only 1 billion, and I don't think that it's enough. Again, community friendly lockup and gradual unlocks. So it is true, because most of the platform do offer 12-month cliffs. So it is it can, I think they are following the industry standard anyways. Looking at the third one, they have buyback and ban mechanism. We talked about the ban mechanism, but Gunz maintains buyback and ban mechanism to counterbalance the additional supply from the unlocked tokens. So basically they are saying that the price will sustain itself because of this buyback and ban mechanism, but I think that could be true for 1 year, and once we do see this massive unlocks, I think the price should go down. So that is something that you should know if you're planning to hold this coin for long term. Again, this could be good to hold for 1 year. Again, we talked about the ban mechanism. So buyback model. So Gunzilla Games commits 30% of the grid revenue to buying back the gun token from the market. So that's pretty good. So 30% of the grid revenue. So that is a massive amount, I think. So this could be interesting, and I think this could be something that could actually pump the Gunz token. So this is a pretty good point. I think their buyback model could be something that could actually pump the token. So now we talked about everything, so let's talk about the coin itself. So looking at its market cap, it's 37 million. So it is I don't think that it is highly undervalued, but as of now, looking at that it is a new coin, I think there could be a room to grow. So I think this coin could actually go as high as 100 million, at least in the short term, if it does go up. So let's say that we see a massive pump from this coin, and I think this coin could actually go as high as at least 100 million or even 150. There is a possibility because these newly launched coins do tend to have a pretty good pump at the start. So as of now, this coin has been going down only, so I think we may have a one leg up for this coin as of now. So that is a possibility. Again, we do have another point. So if we look at the listing of this coin, it is available on MEXC, Bitget, Binance and KuCoin. It is not available on Bybit or no on any big exchanges like Coinbase. Again, it is available on Binance, which is a massive deal, but I think we could see a Coinbase listing from this coin as well. So the reason being is that if you look at the investors, it is in the Coinbase Ventures portfolio. So if we open that category, if you look here, most of these coins do eventually end up on Coinbase. So I think there is a possibility that this coin or the Gun token could actually launch on a Coinbase. So I think probably I think we'll most likely see a one big pump from this coin. It is unclear where it will go, and of course it can also go down. Looking at this play to an you can say niche, the gaming industry is not doing that good. As you can see here, everything is going down, but again I don't think that it should be here as of now, at least. Even if you look at God's Unchained game, that game is doing around 32 million. So this coin is still new, so I think this can actually go as high as 100 million if we see a hype, or even higher than that. So I think there's a potential that we could see 3x or even 4x from this coin in a short term, but I think in the long term the token will most likely go down because of this aggressive token unlocks or after 12 months. So it is something that you should know, but again they do have buyback model as well as burn mechanism, so that could be helpful. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.